매운 Galbi Jjim or spicy braised short ribs. I didn't do this, but before cooking, you guys can soak your ribs in water for about an hour to get rid of excess blood. So I boiled the ribs for about 20 minutes to get rid of all the impurities, and now I'm just washing the pot and the ribs to get rid of extra gunk. You guys can put whatever vegetables you like, such as a potato or even cabbage, but I'm gonna put an onion and a carrot. I also put as much green onion as I liked. This is optional, but I highly recommend putting in about 10 Thai chilies for some extra kick. After washing the meat, you want to put just enough water to cover the bottom half of the meat. Next, I'm putting about 2 tablespoons of minced garlic. Now I'm putting in about 1/4 cup of soy sauce. And now I'm putting in about 1/2 teaspoon of ginger powder. Then I put about 2 tablespoons of Korean hot pepper powder. Then I put about 3 tablespoons of medium. Add as much black pepper as you like. Then put 3 tablespoons of fish sauce. If you guys have, you guys can put 3 tablespoons of oligo당 or corn syrup, but if you don't, just substitute with sugar. Then I put about 1/4 cup of SOJU or cooking wine. Now I'm putting about 3 tablespoons of sugar. I then put 3 tablespoons of Korean red pepper paste. I also put 2 tablespoons of Korean plum syrup, but this is optional. You guys don't have to do this, but I took out some oil that floated on the top. Let the ribs simmer for about 30 to 40 minutes on medium-low heat. Finally, about 2 minutes before it's done, add your green onion and chilies. Thank you guys so much for watching this video, and I really hope you try out this recipe. Till next time!